A year ago, we set out on a mission to build a different bike computer. Starting from scratch, we wanted to build a computer that riders actually want and throw away everything they don't. So, meet CoreCap, the world's first integrated bike computer. It fits in the stereo tube of your bike, perfectly integrated and protected. It's a bike computer you can forget about until you start your ride. CoreCap turns on automatically and starts recording your ride. It's integrated with Strava, allowing you to upload the rides right to your profile. The screens are customizable, so you can pick the metrics that are essential on your ride and have them right in front of you. You can even discover new places to ride with CoreCap's turn-by-turn navigation. With its bulletproof design, CoreCap will handle everything you throw at it on the trail.
I'm Giga.
I got the 10.5-foot level line, fishing this new Kita rod.
Oh, nice.
Dude, we got a Kickstarter video to film. How do you want to start this?
Dude, I don't know. You got any good ideas?
I mean, we came all the way out here to make a Kickstarter video. We gotta figure something
Yeah, we gotta
out.
do something, right?
This will be, what, our 7th Kickstarter project?
Yeah, man, like, should we just kind of go fish and try and get some inspiration?
Yeah, I like that.
All right.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
That'll work. We'll walk up a little ways, and then when we get to like a nice spot, I can talk about the 380 centimeter one, and then you can talk about the 330 centimeter one. And we can just kind of explain the differences and like...
Oh, that'd be cool. Let's just do that.
Man, I hope there's even fish in this river.
Yeah, I hope so. The Kita is a traditional Japanese style rod made in Japan, 99% carbon fiber. It works excellent with level lines.
And make sure to
Got a fun wrap.
Make sure to mention how it's lightweight.
Oh yeah. Super lightweight too. Okay.
Which color do you like better? Well, the 330 is blue, like a dark blue. 380 is kind of like a brownish color. I like them both.
How's the rod fishing, Drew?
This rod's casting really well. It's like pretty precise. I'm getting a nice soft action to it.
I've already talked about how they're 23 inches when they're collapsed. When collapsed, the Kita rod is 23 inches.
Don't put that in the video.
It's a little one, but
The rod's pretty bendy still, even with this little fish.
oh man, the rod feels good.
Net!
This is a new module, a new level, and a new possibility. Introducing the new 3D scanning technology, Revopoint MINI, a revolutionary, portable, professional, and high-precision industrial 3D scanner. Equipped with industrial-grade blue light, it offers metrology-grade scanning with a resolution of 5 times higher than ever before and a precision of up to 20 microns. It aids in the collection of surface measurements of physical things into 3D digital form fast and precisely, and compare measurements to CAD models to ensure parts meet acceptable tolerances. It makes it easier to redevelop or improve the product by reverse engineering the product structure. MINI can examine and compare various related object specimens in the field of paleontology, observe physical similarities and differences through the data, and environmental evolutionary changes about the samples. It also captures color and subtle textures, and measurements can be captured without touching it. Artifacts are being digitized for virtual museums, and collections are being archived and preserved in digital form. Revopoint MINI allows healthcare practitioners to quickly record vast amounts of measurement data in order to make tailored medical products for patients.